Lava has launched its new mid-range smartphone under Agni series in India called Lava Agni 3 with dual display setup, and there is dedicated action button that is used to switch between ringer and silent modes, turn on the flashlight and other features as well. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Agni 3 features a tall 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution 3D curved AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. There is one more 1.74 inches secondary touch AMOLED display on the rear panel that is used to perform actions like receiving calls and quickly responding to messages, taking selfies with the rear cameras, music control, and more. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Lava Agni 3 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's quad-Bayer sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support, along with the another 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. At the front it has 16-megapixel selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance, and there is Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better sound experience, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.7 by 75.53 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 212 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Agni 3 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 24,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now up for pre-order in the country in heather glass and pristine glass color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from October 9th. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Agni 3 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.